Really? Show me one. Yeah. Nothing ever frightens me. I can't. Let's open wide. Is that a ghost I see inside? That's what gave you such a scare? It's just your jacket. I knew that's what it had to be. Nothing ever frightens me. Oh, what's that? Other guy's bag. It's something scary. I like you. Not a chance. It's just your missing underpants. That won't hurt you. Not a chance. It's just your missing underpants. I knew this one was nothing ever frightens me. Oh, no! Okay. Weird eyes and weak face. Oh. Look, it's just a tree that's got a really big and twisted knot. I never said a tree. Nothing ever frightens me. It's huge and high and big. It must be 10 feet tall. And great. Huge? No way. It's itty bitty. See? It's just a tiny kitty. She's cute and harmless as can be. Nothing ever frightens me. But one just crept across the floor. It disappeared behind the door. But look, it's only me, a kid. Together we're brave as we can be. Nothing ever frightens me.